Now, it has been a few months since new anti-spy laws came into force in China. And some analysts say the vagueness of the new rules and surveillance powers are having a chilling effect on citizens and corporations. China's government is now offering rewards worth as much as 100,000 Australian dollars for people who report suspicious individuals. Posters with a hotline to call can be found on public transport.
But the laws also apply to Chinese nationals working overseas, and multinational corporations are raising concerns about their impact. Let's discuss all that with Associate Professor Marina Yue Zhang from UTS. She joins us now from Canberra. Hi Marina, welcome to Weekend Breakfast.
Good morning.
Well, let's start at the start here. What is the Chinese government seeking to achieve with these laws?
Well, I think this is just China's countermeasures to the escalating tensions with the United States, especially during the technological rivalry. China is imposing this law together with data protection law. So the law itself has no problem. It's just implementation. Law enforcement has a lot of room for speculations.
And I guess it all depends partly on what China defines as a national security secret. Do we have any real clarity on what that is?
That's the problem. It's never so clearly defined. And the Chinese language is such that it gives very broad context to any language like that. So you can interpret either way. So that is a problem. With this such ambiguity in law itself, and with the complexity of law enforcement deep in Chinese society, that could create a lot of trouble for foreign corporates, for foreign citizens, because you never know where to go. What is a clear-cut boundary? And what you talk to people, whether it's considered a state secret, whether you are considered engaging in any unlawful activities.
And it sounds like multinational companies that are operating in China are increasingly raising concerns about the impact it's having on their businesses?
Well, they have concerns. The reason, the main concern is the government-related organizations in China. They become more cautious working with foreign corporates, especially in legal services, accounting, consultancy, because they don't want to be seen as being associated with foreign business entities. So that is a big concern. And if you don't have enough business, and if you have to maintain all your data in China, you might just, withdraw from China's market.
So the laws have been in place for a few months now. There's the impact on companies operating in China, but this also puts an impact on citizens of China. What's happening there, and does it put people who are travelling overseas under suspicion?
If you travel, I don't think that's a problem. But if you engage in research, and it's very difficult to know which area is clean, which area is not, and even you have all ethics clearance for doing research, you might find, well, people in China you want to interview with are reluctant to talk to you because they don't want to be seen as talking to foreigners, especially, well, if you talk to people who are in government-related organizations or research institutes, which are deemed as handling sensitive technologies or information.
And Marina, have you seen any evidence that these laws are causing governments around the world to rethink or recalibrate their relationship with the Chinese government?
That's not in my area of research. No, I don't.
All right. Marina Yue Zhang from UTS, we might leave it there, but thank you so much for joining us on Weekend Breakfast.
Thank you.